सो गाइस, क्या आपके भी मॉम एंड डैड के थॉट सेम है कि पबजी खेलना आपके लिए बहुत खराब है? सो लेट्स गो एंड फाइंड आउट दैट is this game really so bad, or does this game really have some advantages for which you should actually play this game? So guys, hi, I am Ramon Ghosh. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and let's get started on this. So guys, the first advantage of playing a game is that it really improves your eyesight. Yes, games खेलने से हमारी eyesight बहुत ही और eye strength भी बहुत ज़्यादा improve हो जाती है as you're paying very close attention to everything that's happening inside of the game's playground. Like the time you're playing a game, you're paying very close attention to everything that's happening inside of that scene. Like if a thing is moving from here to there, as you may think that it is the guy you're finding to shoot, or is it a trap, or is the green grass looking black, so a guy is laying down and you shoot him. So yes, games do improve your eyesight and also do improve your eye strength as well. So yeah, and guys, I would also say that a gamer can actually differentiate in between many shades of gray. As you can see right in here, these are the different shades of gray, so a gamer can actually understand these different shades very well than a normal human being can. So that's a fact about us gamers. So guys, the second advantage of playing PUBG is that it really makes you fight for your own survival, and this skill set is really important in this crucial world, as you really have to fight for your own survival if you really want to survive in this world and make your own place inside of this big world. So, and it also does sharpen your senses in order to take better judgment, and also helps you to multitask in a lot of times, and that really helps you in your day-to-day activities, as in these days you really have to do a lot of tasks in a small span of time. So I think this game really teaches you all these skills in a fun way. So yeah. So guys, the third advantage of playing this game PUBG is that it really helps you to socialize yourself. You learn a lot of social skills. You talk to different kind of teammates every single time you play a match. Now I won't talk about those who play just solo matches, as most of the gamers I know actually play squads, as they are the most fun. So now let's talk about some squad matches. So every single time you play a squad matches, you are meeting 3 new people every single time, as the kind of teammates you'll get in every match is random. You may get players from all around the world, and that really helps you to socialize your own self, and it's really a good thing, I believe, as you're socializing yourself in a fun way. So it's really good. So guys, the fourth advantage of playing this game PUBG is that it really helps you to understand how good of a teamwork you can actually do, as teamworks are really important. Now if you're a guy who really plays squad games, then teamworks are really important for you. And now if you're someone who is a solo player, then I won't talk about you. And also teamworks are really important in your corporate life as well, as if you really want to go on stay in the top, you really need a good team, and the team needs to work good in order to take you in the top. So just think, you have landed in a hot drop and suddenly a 4 squad team is rushing on you. So how well you and your teammates is going to handle that and kill every single one of them is really a skill that really matters in our modern day lives as well. So I think this game actually teaches us all of that. So guys, last but not the least, the fifth advantage of playing this game PUBG is that you can really earn from this game if you really are a very good player. If you can entirely wipe up a full squad on your own, you are really a good player, and you should earn from this, and you can. You just have to stream your games on YouTube, and from there you can actually earn. There are some streamers who earn 20,000 in a day. Some of them are Dynamo Gaming, Cronton Gaming, Mortal, GTX Breathe. So yeah, you can actually earn from this game if you're really a good player and you really have some good skill sets on this game. So guys, that was all about the advantages of playing this game PUBG. So thank you so much guys. If you do like my content, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do hit the bell icon. Thank you. See you in the next video.